Well, I'm kind of liking our lava planet now, but you know what? I think I'm going to make it the sun of this little solar system we're creating here. So let's look at it here. What we're going to do is we're going to select on it here. And let's go ahead and select our pick tool there. There we go. We have our layer selected like this. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead. Let's go and do a still blending option here. Oops, double click here. Let's give this an outer glow. And quite an outer glow. Let's, over here, if we select on it, you can see I've got a color here selected. I don't really like this. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see how this color comes out. Let's see if we can spread that outer glow out a little bit. There we go. There's a nice soft texture for this. Let's see if we can give this a different contour. The contour will adjust for us here. There we go. And once again, this is all playing with it, getting it to, this is where your artistic ability comes in. Getting it to something that you really like. I think maybe that looks fine there. We'll go ahead and hit OK. And let's change this color. I'm really not liking this color too much, so let's go back to an orangish color, like so. It's a little bit too much. Let's bring it down a little bit. There we go. I like that. There we go. Now, of course, you can add more with your techniques here, softer, precise, blah blah blah, all kinds of options here just for you to play with. We're just going to hit OK with that, and I definitely like that. So let's go ahead and take him. Let's go ahead and position him up in the corner here because I'm very partial to where my sun is located at. We'll go ahead and shift. Oops. Control Z. Let's grab the corner one here as I hit shift. Let's bring this up, and there he is positioned. There is our lava planet / sun. So there we go. Let's keep on going and see what else we can make on this scene.